up guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be starting off this vlog today. This vlog is gonna be a little bit different. It's kind of gonna jump around the next couple of days, but I leave on Monday for Miami for a whole week. It's like a little spring break trip. So I thought I would vlog this weekend and kind of do like a prep for vacation with me. Kind of like a glow up video because right now we are not looking Miami ready. I need lashes, I need nails, I need a tan, and I still need to pack everything. So that's what this vlog is going to be. Today is Thursday. It's currently 1 o'clock and I have a lash appointment at 2. I'm gonna head over there soon, but I'm getting my lash extensions back on. It's been a couple months. I was kind of like letting my lashes breathe for a second, but I personally love having lash extensions, especially for like beach vacations. When it's like hot and you're like at the beach or at the pool all day, you don't want to worry about putting makeup on, and I just personally like how I look without makeup on a lot better when I have lash extensions. They just make life easier, especially on vacation. So I'm getting them on today. I go to Lore Lash in Montclair, New Jersey. They have a couple locations around Jersey if you're in the area and you are interested in getting lash extensions. They do a really nice job. I get what they call the captivating allure. They basically have like 3 different options. There's like a natural option, a middle option, and then like a very full dramatic option. So I get the middle one. I get C curl and like 12-13 length. That's what I've found kind of looks the best on my like eye shape. Here is the before with just my natural lashes, and I will show you guys the after when everything is done. I just wanted to check in and show you guys my lashes. Here they are, up close and personal. The whole process of getting a new full set takes like an hour, and then I usually get them filled every like 2 to 3 weeks. I kind of just wait and see like how fast they're falling out and like when I feel like I need to get a fill. And then a fill only takes like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So yeah, lashes are done. Good morning guys, it is now Friday. Today's agenda includes going to my laser appointment. It is around 9:30 a.m. right now. My appointment is at 10:45, but it's in the city, so I'm about to walk over to the train station in a couple minutes and head in. But I'm not specifically getting laser for Miami. I just get it done every 6 weeks, and it happened to fall on this weekend. But I thought I would kind of take you guys along and answer any questions you guys might have about laser. I'm getting laser hair removal for my bikini area. I get it done every 6 weeks, like I said, for 12 sessions, and I think today is my 8th session, so I'm getting pretty close to being done. Once you get to 12 sessions, that's like where you should see 100% results, and then you just go back every once in a while for like maintenance. And basically every time after 12 sessions, you try to go like longer and longer between sessions, and then eventually you only have to get it done like once a year to keep up with it. Yeah, I'm on my 8th session and I've already seen like crazy night and day results. Like the hair barely grows back at this point. I feel like a lot of people like want to know how painful it is. I think it's very doable. It's not that bad, but every time you get it, usually they like increase the intensity a little bit. So the first time I got it done, I literally like didn't feel anything. I was like, oh, this is nothing. But now that I'm on like my 8th session, it definitely is uncomfortable. I don't know if I would call it painful, but it just feels like a little burning sensation. And yeah, it's pretty uncomfortable, but I'm literally in and out of my laser place in like 5 minutes. Like it's so quick. So it's really not that bad. I've never gotten a wax before, but I can assume that it's much less painful than waxing. So it's a good alternative. And also for waxing, I know you have to like grow your hair out for a couple weeks before you get a wax. But for laser, you actually have to shave like the night before you get it done. So I like that you don't have to grow your hair out, because sometimes like that's annoying. So yeah, if you're interested in getting laser, I highly recommend. I go to Erase Spa. It's in New York in like Midtown. It's like right by Penn Station, and they're always having deals on like packages of sessions. So when I bought mine, I bought all 12 sessions at once, and it was like buy 6 get 6 free. They're always having like deals like that. So if you're in the New York area, definitely recommend them. But yeah, I'm gonna head in. I'm wearing like sweats and no makeup. I'm just not feeling it today. Hi guys, jumping ahead now to Sunday. Today's gonna be a busy day. I leave tomorrow for Miami. My flight isn't until like 7 p.m. but I basically have to be like completely ready to go by the end of today because I have class all day tomorrow. So I'm like going straight from class to the airport. So I don't have time to like do any last minute packing or anything tomorrow. I have to be ready to go today. I actually started packing a little last night. I got all of my clothes packed yesterday into these packing cubes. I got these packing cubes off of Amazon. I will link them down below if you guys are interested. Packing cubes changed my life. They help so much with like packing itself and then also staying organized while you're on your trip because everything like has a place. In this little smaller packing cube, I have all of my like underwear, bras, that kind of stuff. And then in this other small one, I have all of my swimsuits and a couple cover-ups. In the bigger one, this one I have all of my like daytime clothes. So like shorts, t-shirts, tank tops, that kind of stuff. Just any like daytime outfits. And then this cube has all of my nighttime outfits. So all my going out dresses, dinner outfits, stuff like that. When I laid all of my clothes out, I also laid all of my shoes and like bags and like random accessories that I have to go along with them. I'm bringing way too many pairs of heels. I'm aware I probably won't wear all of these, but I don't know. I couldn't decide, so I'm just bringing all of them and we'll see what I end up wearing. Later today, I will pack all of my like toiletries, skincare, makeup, all of that stuff. First, right now, I'm going to head to a nail appointment. I have my nail appointment at 1 for my manicure, but I'm gonna go like an hour early and get a pedicure before my manicure appointment. I'm just getting gel on my fingers, but I think I'm gonna do something a little fun with my manicure, so I will show you that later. Yeah, gonna get that done, and then I need to get a spray tan later. I think I'm gonna go like tonight though so that I can sleep in it and then wash it off in the morning. I just got back from getting my nails done. Here they are. So I just got gel French, but instead of white French, I got this like neon yellow, kind of greenish yellow. I love how it turned out. Yeah, and then for my toes, I always just get white pedicures. So now it's around 3 o'clock. I'm going to finish packing everything else that I have to pack. When I start to pack my like toiletries and skincare and all of that, I pretty much just go through my routine in my head from like when I wake up to when I go to bed, and I just think about every single product that I need. Also, my bottom drawer in my nightstand has all of my like travel sized stuff, so not everything I bring is travel sized. I bring a few like of my bigger things, but this is kind of like a good starting point, and I can just grab like all of the travel sized things that I need. Hello guys, what's up? I look crazy. I got a spray tan clearly. Usually when I get a spray tan, I get the kind that goes on clear and then it like develops over like 8 hours, then you wash it off and you're tan. But I think the girl like put it in wrong, so I got the bronze instead of the clear. So I think it should like develop the same and look the same at the end, but it just goes on dark. So I'm just not used to it like looking like this. It's already like 9:30 p.m. right now, so I'm gonna leave this on. I'll probably wake up around like 7 to wash it off. So I'm gonna have it on for like 10 hours. I'll insert a little clip here of myself in the morning after I wash it off so you guys can see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks normal. I've never gotten this kind before, but I'm sure it'll be fine. But yeah, what else did I do? I also had to stop at home at my parents' house because I started packing this suitcase. This is my like medium-sized CalPack suitcase, and I realized that my stuff isn't gonna all fit in here. So I went and got my big suitcase. This one is huge. I don't think I've ever even used this suitcase because usually everything fits in this one, but I am going on a trip for like 8 days, so I have a lot of stuff that I'm bringing. I'm also just like overpacking, so there's that. All my stuff is pretty much laid out. I just need to put it all into that suitcase and then I'll be packed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I think I am all packed up. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow at like the very last possible minute to close this up in case I remember anything that I need to add. But I think this is pretty much everything. I'm gonna bring my backpack as my carry-on, but I'm not gonna take too much in it. I'm gonna bring my laptop, which I have charging. I have my AirPods charging. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm so tired. It's like 10 o'clock, but I feel like I did so much today. I'm just like exhausted. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all so, so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.